Welcome to My Salon Doll Styles and Smiles Academy. In this segment we're going to be teaching you how to do a crimp. So we're going to use Bryn today, and I've already done a couple of crimps. You can see how adorable that is, and we did a little bit on this side. So I'm going to take a section piece from the back of her head. And because I'm using a hot tool, I want to be sure to use a little bit of heat protectant spray. It'll also give it a little shine. So we're going to comb it out nice and smooth, and we're going to start from the top. And we're going to not leave the crimper clamped too long. So we're going to go with a basic rule of 3 seconds. So we're going to clamp and count to 3 and lift. So we'll clamp 1, 2, 3, lift, and move down. 1, 2, 3, lift, and move down another notch. 1, 2, 3, lift, and 1, 2, 3, lift, and all the way on down. This is a smaller crimper, so it's going to take me about 15 to 20 crimps all the way down. And when you clamp, you want to give it a nice firm clamp, but no longer than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. And I moved my fingers out of the way when I got towards the end. 1, 2, 3, lift. And look at that fun little crimp. It adds some fun texture to your doll's hair, and it's a little fun thing that you can play around with. Thank you for joining My Salon Doll Styles and Smiles Academy. And remember, the #1 beauty secret is a smile.